Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast Aqua Talks presented by Manage Fish Shop. This platform brings you inspiring stories, innovations and impact-driven startups from the aquaculture and fisheries ecosystem. Today I am happy to host Mr. Ashok Manwani, an innovative pearl farmer, founder of the Indian Pearl Culture Company. He has been extensively working in the field of pearl farming. He has trained many farmers and he has created many awareness in the field of the pearl farming enterprise across the India. And I am very too happy, very exciting to see his products also. Namaskar, sir.
Namaskar, namaskar.
Tell us about your journey in the pearl farming, sir.
My native place in Akola and Maharashtra. There is one library in Bharat Ratna Dr. Panjabrao Kushi Vidyapit. There read the article in Pearl Culture in British timing. Then I read 3-4 lines and left the home. Till now I am not going to home. 29 years. I am going to search for how can grow the pearls. This very big journey have. This is journey is with my wife. My wife name is Kulanjan Dubey Manwani. She is a student of CIFE Mumbai. I am a student of CFAS Bhubaneswar. Both are working this field 28 years. And so many states today growing the pearls like a Karnataka, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh. So many states we will go and growing the pearl. How can and this animal so many species have. That's why we will searching this animal how many years grow the pearls. This journey very long journey have, but very inspire also. We come this field, but before 10-12 years, not one single pearl come. Why? This is a very big story. We will continue to tell you. But this pearl farming is very nice job. We are very happy till this time. Very successful in pearl culture.
Yeah, sir, of course, really. I saw many of your videos in the YouTube, like your dedication towards this pearl culture. It's just like amazing, sir. And here also, like, you came with the products. Your products were really very nice to see. How can we get this product, sir? Like, is there any online platform? Is there?
So many tourists come. Our farmhouse in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, Banaras Hindu University. This time we are growing natural organic pearl farm. Natural and organic pearl farming. So many peoples come. Today we are generate new business community have pearl tourism. This time we are interview in Hyderabad manage. But Hyderabad is not live animal available for pearl farm. Means live animal inside pearl not available. But we have so many live animal have. Animal die, then pearl come. So people come our farmhouse and purchase pearl.
Okay, sir. So really, it's nice. It's like a natural process. You are explaining that so well. So actually, even we girls, we went to many markets. Like there, we saw many pearl jewelries, like earrings, necklace, rings, whatever. But whenever we ask, they'll say, "Yeah, it is the original one. It is a pure pearl." But still, we have that question mark, like whether it is a original one or fake one. I'm asking you how your product is unique in compared to the other product in the market. I can't compare, but I'm asking like how can we believe it?
Yes, very good question. Pearl farming is two types of pearl farming. One type is marine and second type of freshwater. Marine is very nice and good qualities and sharp pearls, but India till now no one single pearl farm. Oh, 3000 PhD people have, but no single one farm. But freshwater only grow the half round pearl growing and images. This type is images. Images pearls like see this images pearl. So this types of we are growing. So we are you can not see. आपने कभी देखा नहीं होगा कि क्या इसमें जैसे दुर्गा देवी है तो ये पूरा हैदराबाद में किसी ने नहीं देखा होगा. यस सर वी आर कैन नॉट सी. तो ऐसा पर्ल डिफरेंट है तो इसके लिए पीपल बाय. ओ वाओ ये वेरी कितने का है हाउ मच एंड राउंड पर्ल सेल वी परचेज 100 rupees टू स्टार्ट बट दिस इज 1100 rupees टू सेल. First price is 1100 and more than in internet see the in Ganesha pearl highest price is 12,73,000.
Allah.
Yes, person name is Ajay Sonkar and the government of India give him Padma Shri. So this is a very new unique have our प्रोडक्ट हमारा एकदम नया है कि इसमें आप जो राम डालेंगे तो राम आएगा, कृष्ण, तिरुपति बालाजी तो तिरुपति बालाजी आएगा। इसमें जैसा हम लोग हाफ राउंड राउंड डालेंगे तो हाफ राउंड पर्ल आएगा। इसमें 4 टाइप के पर्ल होते हैं, बट वी आर टिल दिस टाइम ग्रोइंग 2 टाइप्स, हाफ राउंड एंड इमेजेस।
Okay, so you are doing the freshwater pearl farming, right, sir? Okay, so what kind of products you are selling through your Indian pearl culture?
Images, pearl growing and make a jewelry like that. Images, so many types of images, Ram, Krishna, Tirupati Balaji, Allah, 786. So we growing the images pearls and we sell the images pearls. We will make the jewelry by our hands, not a go to the jewelry person. Our India means so many areas doing today pearl farming, but fully lab available in Banaras Hindu University, in my place in Banaras Hindu University, BHU Varanasi have. So we are growing this type jewelry we will sell this time.
Okay, sir, images jewelries. Like where we can get your products? Is there any online services is available?
Yes, our website है, Indian Pearl Culture, our website है. People come and see our pearl farm, then pearl tourism come and we will sell there is better. They see the pearl is live come, that's why they purchase easily. They believe.
Okay, they believe you. The trustworthiness you created in customers, yeah. Sir, actually, like many of them are not aware about, even I am also not aware about the pearl culture form. It's like, could you please explain the process, like that mussels productions, like how it is happening?
Anybody doing pearl farming, fish farmer can also do the same pond. उसी पॉन्ड में वो मछली के साथ मोती पाल सकता है, दोनों का भोजन सेम होता है, यानी एक ही जैसा होता है. लोकल एनिमल ही परचेस करें, यानी कलेक्ट करें. वी आर सर्च द लोकल एनिमल मीन्स मसल्स लोकली अवेलेबल एंड दे कलेक्ट एंड आस्क अस. हमसे पूछें कि वी आर 28 years this field, so ask the WhatsApp, send the photograph, ask us if this animal can grow the pearl. Then we will send the WhatsApp, yes, good quality or bad or small or big, you search. Then surgery also we will teach the online also. Why is the people not come very long distance? So we will teach the online also. We will help us. Why so many girls also inside come in this field, student also. So it's not viable to come to our farm. So we will teach the online also.
Yeah, I heard that you have conducted many training program for farmers and some students also.
First point is water body available. Second, muscles available, training available, and both fish and mussels are feeding is same. Means both feeding is same. So after 1 to 2 year, pearl quality is generate. Means their shining is come. Then we will teach the how can you cut, how can you make a pendant, and how can you sell in local market. We will not selling anything, not buying anything. We will teach how can you grow the pearl farm business.
Okay, like a consultant. Okay, sir. Okay, it's very nice to know. Like, what is your future plan of your Indian Pearl Culture Company? Like, for next 5 years, what are the plans you have?
Last year, integrated aquaculture park 11 is selected. 11. No single one pearl farm. We are today here in Hyderabad. So 2 people doing our pearl farm, but they are not till now success. But why? It's a very long journey here. Start mussels collection. People today, so many people wrong method. They are purchasing in oysters other states. This is wrong. Don't purchase other states. Our local species find out first. After the local species easily they survive. Today so many fraud peoples come and they tell, okay, you earn lakhs of rupees and you are richest, send money. This is a fraud come. So don't go to the fraud line. First thing you have National Fishery Development Board department also subsidy have, girls 60% have and boys 40%. So government also support it. So I will suggest him, you grow your farm, your local species, and a very simple method have, and we will help also. Any problems come, then call us, we will guide also.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And your question is your future plan. My dream is one single pearl park is need in India. No single pearl park. And Dubai have, Saudi have pearl park. People go there and see how can grow the pearl. Here also purchase pearl, but they can't see in pearl. We are discuss here. Opposite our side is dam is available. So there is need is one pearl park.
Okay.
People come and
And interesting dream actually. Definitely, sir, your dream will be happy.
I will your clients anybody have good ponds have then please try to make the pearl park is a very good income. My income also tourism also so many come. I also take a money for tourist and I give also pearl also not like a money no they give money I give pearl.
So, thank you so much, sir. Thank you for sharing your inspiring journey with us. Really, we are young people, we should learn many things from you. As in this age, also, the vibrant energy you have with this pearl culture, it's really amazing, sir. Thank you for sharing your inspiring journey with us. Really, it is at this age, also, I'm really wondering your energy, the vibrant energy you have with this pearl forming culture. It's really amazing, sir. We should learn many things from you as youngsters. Thank you, sir. So, if you want to order this Pearl Culture product, so you can contact them. Their contact details and the websites, everything we are given in this video. So, Indian Pearl Culture, you can directly contact them. You can order the products there. So, this is our podcast Aquatalks presented by Manage Fish Hub. We brings you inspiring stories, innovations, and impact-driven startups from the aquaculture and fisheries ecosystem. Until the next episode, this is Nivita Sige signing off. Thank you for watching.